this works. Let's make a new post. Okay, so click here at the top where it says new post and title it whatever you want. However you want, whatever you want. And I am going to now come down in this box and type what it is that I'd like to type. Okay? You can preview what that's going to look like. Preview. And it should open a new tab, which it did up here, and take you to that, what it looks like. And you can close that tab because it's just a preview. Come back to where you were. Okay, now let's add a picture. So that's not hard. Let's go to Google. And oh, you know what? That was actually a good idea. Let's go to images and look up an Inspire calculator. Save image. Inspire. Save. Okay, and go back to my post here. And now where it says upload, insert media, click there. And select the files. And so it's this one here. Okay, so now it's uploaded and I can put a caption if I like. Okay, and I can insert into the post. I can put it to the left, center, the right, or just insert. Okay, and now we can view that. So preview it. Let's preview. And it says hello. Look, there's my picture and the words. So that's pretty cool. And then from there, we can also enter in a video. So let's learn how to do that. So this is my preview here. It says preview, so I know let's preview. I'll close that. Let's go to YouTube. Once you get to YouTube, let's go ahead and search for an Inspire calculator. We want a video, and just for time's sake, I'll take the top one. Take a look at it.
Hi, this is Tyson, and I'm at the Tech.
I like it. I'm going to right click and get the URL, but I have to copy this because it's highlighted but not copied. Now that it's copied, I can paste into my post and update. Once I do that, it is there. So let's view it and take a look at it. And there it is.
Hi, this is Tyson, and I'm at the...
The next thing I want to show you, I'm going to close that, how to upload maybe a homework assignment. So I am going to open my Word, Microsoft Word, and let's make one up. Okay. Sorry, computer's moving slow. Inspire homework. Okay, so I am going to save that to my desktop just because I'm going to name it Inspire Homework as a Word document. And then I also want to save that as a PDF just to make sure that everyone can view it, because you may have some children that don't have the same version that you have, and you want to make sure they can still view the document. So save as a PDF, save to my desktop. Okay. And now I am going to click this icon, select my file from my desktop, there it is, Inspire Homework, and there's the PDF. So I can name it whatever I want. Do that again. I pressed too many buttons, sorry. Getting excited there. Okay. Click to view. Oh, insert. There it is. And then I'm going to also click on that same icon and get the PDF. So it was at the bottom. There it is. Yay! And I put the PDF in it. And so when I update and view the post, voila, there they are. And so if you click on them, it will download here at the bottom and then bring it up. So that is how you put in a video and upload homework or worksheets or Word documents or PDFs. To log out, look at the top right hand corner and you should see log out. Yes, we do want to log out. Okay. When you log out, it should take you here. So let's talk about logging back in. Select your name. Log in with your Google account. Make sure you pick the correct one. And now you're back in. Now say that it doesn't look like that. You don't remember how to get back in. All you remember is kidblog.org. Let's play around with that. From here, you can go to log in. You remember your email, your Gmail account. From there, here it is, kidblog.org, Pierce Math 4. It's very important that you remember the URL so that you can go directly to your site and tell your children the URL so they can have them to remember it, so they can go directly to that site so that you don't run into problems. And what I mean is, if I open a new tab, I don't have to go through all that red tape. There it is. And I'm where I need to be. You do have to log in though. Choose the correct account. Now you can change and make changes to it. Your children will not be able to make changes to it or add anything to the post because we didn't set it up that way. But if you want to add students, let me show you that. So, just to make sure you know where I went, let me hit the back button. Control panel here at the top. And from there, we're going to go to users and add new users. I'm going to add a student. going to give that student a password. Make sure it says roll, and the class I want them to be a member of is Algebra 1. And they are added to the class. You can only add up to 50 without upgrading. And when you upgrade here, it does cost. Let me show you. Okay, $5 a month for teachers, and then $2 a year for schools. So, and if I wanted to add another teacher, I would change the role. You can add moderator. I would play with these roles and see what they do. I haven't played with all of them, so I can't help you out on that part, but I do know I have added a teacher before. So, and now let's look at all of our users. Voila, there they are. So when we log out, or when you log out, if a student is attempting to log in, this is what they would do. Go to this URL, and when it says at the top, log in, they have to click that, find their name, and put in their password. There you go. And now they're in, and if you allow them to leave post, you can. The logging in part is needed when a student wants to view your post if you protected your site by using a password, okay? They need a password if you're giving out different passwords to different students and allowing them to blog, which hopefully we're doing today as we're watching the videos. Let's move on to adding multiple students. So I'm going to log out of this as student 1, because to do that I need to be me, not a student. Okay, now what am I going to do? Control panel and users. I want to add a bulk of users at the same time. Okay. This is not hard. It looks hard, but it's not. Open your Excel program on your computer, and we're just simply going to put the student's name and then password. So I'm putting first name student, last name 1 in the first column. This column I'm going to put the password. Let's just drag it down. Okay. There we go. So this is the student's username, and then these are their passwords. Now, you know what? I have a better idea. Password 1, 2, 3, or 4. That way, we're not confused. When I save this, that's the key. You need to save this. Be very careful. CSV, comma, delimited. Do not use this one or that one. It's the comma delimited, okay? If not, it won't work. And I'm gonna name this Kidblog students for period 1. Save. Yes. Okay. Now let's go back to Kidblog. Choose the file. There it is. And process. If something goes wrong, it will not say new user added. That's how you know if you did it right. You can also check under all users, and look, there they are. Student 1, 2,